Hi, in this video we are going to see how to add a comment to a HTML5 page. Comments are useful to place informative text about the HTML coding. So these comments are useful for the fellow developers. It does nothing in the display. So in browser actually you won't see these comments. So when your fellow developer looks at the HTML page and by reading the commands, he or she knows what is the purpose of the following tags. So here is an example, and if you see to place a comment, we have to open an angle bracket with a exclamation mark, then two hyphen, and similarly we have to end the talk. At line number 3 and line number 7 we placed the example comment. So when we display this page in the browser, these comments won't appear as part of the document. So that's all in this short video. Thanks for watching. Bye.